Dividend. Vectorvest reports annual regular cash dividends as indicated by the most recent payments. Special distributions, one-time payments, stock dividends, etc. are not generally included in div. OCGN does not pay a dividend. DY, dividend yield. DI reflects dividend per share as a percent of price. OCGN does not pay a dividend, so it does not have a dividend yield rating. DI equals 100x, div price. It is useful to compare DI with A. If DI is not significantly lower than A, the dividend payment may be in jeopardy. DS, dividend safety. DS is an indicator of the assurance that regular cash dividends will be declared and paid at current or at higher rates for the foreseeable future. OCGN does not pay a dividend, so it does not have a dividend safety rating. Stocks with DS values above 75 typically have RS values well above 1.00 and A levels that are much higher than DI. DG, dividend growth rate. Dividend growth is a forecasted annual growth rate of a company's dividend based on historical dividend payments and dividend predictability. It is a subtle yet important indicator of a company's financial performance. It also provides some insight into the board's outlook on the company's ability to increase earnings. OCGN does not pay a dividend, so it does not have a dividend growth rating. YSG vector. YSG is an indicator which combines DI, DS and DG into a single value and allows direct comparison of all dividend-paying stocks in the database. OCGN does not pay a dividend, so it does not have a YSG rating. Stocks with the highest YSG values have the best combinations of dividend yield, safety and growth. These are the stocks to buy for somewhat above current income and long-term growth. AVVOL. AVVOL is the 50-day moving average of daily volume as computed by Vectorvest. OCGN has an AVVOL of 90,143,769 shares traded per day. Percent vol. Percent vol reflects the percent change in today's trading volume as compared to the AVVOL. Percent vol equals volume AVVOL, AVVOL 100. OCGN had a percent vol of 67.84% on Tuesday, February 9, 2021. PRC. OCGN price changed -20.24% from the prior day's closing price. Sales. OCGN has annual sales of 0 sales growth. Sales growth is the sales growth rate in percent over the last 12 months. OCGN has a sales growth of -100.00% per year. This is very poor. Sales per share, SPS. OCGN has annual sales of $0 per share. Price to sales ratio, PS. OCGN has a PS of 51,079.96. Shares. OCGN has 162 million shares of stock outstanding. Market capitalization. OCGN has a market capitalization of $2,043 million. Business sector. OCGN has been assigned to the healthcare business sector. Vectorvest classifies stocks into over 200 industry groups and 40 business sectors. Industry group. OCGN has been assigned to the healthcare instruments industry group. Vectorvest classifies stocks into over 200 industry groups and 40 business sectors. Market momentum. Extreme greed. S&P 500 is 9.83% above its 125-day average. This is further above the average than has been typical during the last 2 years, and rapid increases like this often indicate extreme greed. Last changed February 3 from a greed rating updated February 9 at 5:02 p.m. Stock price strength. Greed number of stocks hitting 52-week highs exceeds the number hitting lows and is at the upper end of its range, indicating greed. Last changed February 2 from an extreme greed rating updated February 9 at 4:01 p.m. Stock